Can you masturbate without watching porn? Not easy, eh? This is Matthew Bartolo, a sex and relationship therapist, and I share with you thoughts that I have through these years of experience working in sexuality and relationships. Unfiltered therapy. We're seeing a lot of men, much more than women, who are struggling to use their own sexual fantasies and to enjoy intimacy with their own partner or real sex with a real human being because of the consumption of porn. So yes, when a man watches porn for long periods of time and frequently, they are desensitizing their mind and their body to the intimacy of sex, and then they might suffer from premature ejaculation, erectile problems, and even delayed ejaculation. Men who can't ejaculate when they're with their partner. Reason being that their body is so used to intense masturbation because of pornography, and their mind is becoming lazy sexually because they're relying on outer stimulation that the pornography provides. So do reflect on your consumption of pornography and how it might be affecting your own sexuality by yourself and others. Thank you.